So after my third tenure, I thought I'll not contest till the new building is ready. So that is why I didn't contest. Next year I was not permitted to. Thereafter also I didn't contest. But then I realized that I have faced the worst of the Supreme Court. Why should I keep myself away from the best of the Supreme Court? According to me, this is the golden period for the Supreme Court. And when I say golden period, I don't mean golden period only for the bar. That is not what I am talking about. Golden period means what does the nation expect from this institution and what does the average litigant expect from the institution. The nation expects, or a litigant or a lawyer expects, that the rule of law will be given primacy. Rule of law will be fundamental to every action to be taken by the judges or while deciding matters. We have seen that Justice Gavai has no problem in ticking off any government whatsoever. For example, in the Bulldozer Justice. You may be a criminal, you may have committed a crime, but you have no right that your house should be demolished singularly out of the other houses which are all illegally constructed only because you are in conflict with crime. There has to be a system which should be followed uniformly. Similarly, in every aspect of the matter, whether it be the electoral bond, Justice Gavai was part of the bench which decided the electoral bond matter. Internet curbs, when Jammu and Kashmir had this problem of internet being completely shut off for a long period of time, he said this can't happen indefinitely. It has to be reconsidered, it has to be recalled, and it has to be decided. Then strict adherence to the separation of powers principle. He believes in the fact that judiciary has a limited role as far as the entire national affairs is concerned. He believes that the role of the judiciary is basically an adjudicatory function. You don't take over the functions of the government. You don't start running the government. The third is personal liberty. If there is a personal liberty involved, then Justice Gavai has gone out of the way to grant bail and even comment that the order of the High Court is perverse, like in the case of Chista Sitalwad. He said the order of the High Court is perverse. The reasoning is perverse, and he granted bail here. Manish Sisodia, he granted bail, and even on public platforms, he has taken the very clear view that our jurisprudence has bail as the rule and jail as the exception, but unfortunately the same is not being followed. Then, of course, respect for the bar. We all come here to earn a living, but not at the cost of our self-respect. We don't want to be treated in a manner which doesn't behove of our profession. And I give full marks to Justice Gavai that he's one of his court behavior, and during his tenure, we expect that this respect for the bar that he has started, this feeling that he has started, I'm sure the golden period will not end with Justice Gavai. Justice Suryakant is sitting here. I will also have the opportunity to be in his term and have the benefit of the golden period. And that is why I said, even though it is my last term, but I must not miss out the golden period. And that's why I decided to contest. And then the fifth quality, which is again a very important quality for a Supreme Court judge, or in fact for anybody in the justice delivery system, is having empathy. Empathy for the poor, for the weaker sections of the society. Justice Gavai has decided that even in scheduled caste, scheduled tribe reservation, there can be a creamy layer exclusion. Now, when this judgment came, there was a huge criticism that some kind of a new law is being laid down. But I think this is and for somebody coming from that same community to say that, I think it's a very, very bold step taken by Justice Gavai. So, all these five qualities which are the most important qualities which we expect from the Chief Justice of India, and because of the leadership of Justice Gavai, we expect from the institution, entire institution. I felt that I will not miss this period of his Chief Justiceship, and I decided to contest.